Hello everyone, my name is Shaurya Kelkar and today I'll be showcasing my project Synaptic, where concepts connect. It is an AI learning platform built with Gemini 3 for the Gemini 3 Hackathon, and this is a live demo of the project. So let's start off with the signing and sign up screen. So since I don't have an account, this is a demo, I'll show you the sign up. I'll create an email. Let's say I create fun at gmail.com and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, sign up. Okay, 6, right? Sign up. I'm in, I'm logged in. Next, I'm gonna sign out to show that I can sign in again. So for the same account, I say fun at gmail.com and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna sign in. So it says I can successfully sign in. Now the point of this platform is that I'm gonna enter a topic. And topic name's gonna be let's say integration. Integration. And I'm going to set, let's say 11 plus. Since we don't have integration 11 plus, I'm going to say A level. And you can add additional resources to further boost the AI to help in your learning. So I'm going to enter URL. So I'm going to search on Wikipedia for integration. And I'm going to copy the link, add. You can also add a PDF, an image, or input text. You can also scan your thing with camera. So I'm going to scan, let's say, a computer science thing with camera. So I'll show you that in camera. I can name it. I'm going to name it computer. That can be done. But since it's integration, there's no need to add it right now. And now I'm going to generate understanding. So I have used agentic AI, and the agent here has multiple like tools that they can use. So one of the tools is to extract data from a PDF. One is to extract data from a camera. One is to extract data from a URL. And there's many more, including generating a topic name, creating study notes, building spider diagrams, creating flashcards, creating a test, customized to the user, and many more. The key reason why I made this application is it is designed for students. And this is because using my experiences when studying for the GCSE or the A levels, is that these exams, there are not many good notes, like websites that give good notes. AI is something that can help you with this. Work hard, don't work hard, work smart. So, this project uses Firebase authentication to authenticate the user. Saves the data on Firebase database, so it is secure. Additionally, it uses Gemini 3, as it is one of the key requirements for this hackathon. I've used Imagen as well to create images, and there's many more which you will see, and you will be quite happy. I've got an inspiration from Quizlet for the tests. The flashcards are also an inspiration from Quizlet, and it's something that I've seen many students use, especially my peers. Real life examples. I keep hearing this question, even though I am quite curious about the world. I keep hearing this question that why do we use some stuff? Like I hear my friends saying this is pointless in maths. So finding real life examples shows us where this is actually used in life and why we need to learn it. It takes a while because I've used the Gemini Pro in Gemini 3 Pro instead of Gemini 3 Flash because I've designed this platform to help students, not skimp on them. So I've got integration. It's gonna say fundamental concept. It's explaining how it works, and that is there. Next, there's also real life examples such as kinematics, and this is like a short summary, thermal physics, and this is like a picture. Spider next, we have flashcards. The flashcards are quite important. As you can see, what is the primary geometric purpose of integration and calculate area between a curve and axis. So normally there are 20 to 25 flashcards which are automatically generated due to from the AI. Obviously, since people like to create their own flashcards, I added this part, what is where you can create your own flashcards. And what will happen is that you create the front side of that flashcard. So in this case, I'm going to say, what is an integral? Now I can add one more. I can say is that how to integrate between a curve and line of y is equal to, let's say, 7. And here I'm going to say explanation. I'm going to say an answer. So then the AI will generate both what is an integral and how to integrate between the curves, and it'll add it to your original flashcards. So a user can keep on adding new lines, and the AI will keep generating them for the purposes. So it takes a while because obviously Gemini Pro has been used, and you can see the definition. It's a mathematical concept for area under a graph, and see here, if I add them to topic, it'll increase. So if I go back all the way to the end, it says added to flash Classical integration. So we know that's been added. What is the here we are. What is integral? Because I just added, and it says that tells us that integral is a mathematical concept which represents the area under curve for it is the inverse operation of differentiation. Next, how to integrate between curve and line of y equals 7. So it'll tell us that we have to find the points of intersection between these curves, and then we have to evaluate the definite integral top function and bottom function dx between the two limits. So this is absolutely correct. So you can also regenerate the flashcards and it'll create new flashcards. This may also delete your new like creative flashcards, so I advise not to this unless it's the beginning. This is there. Next, you have your notes. So while we wait that to create, we can go to notes, and it shows us integration notes. Um, you go parts, partial fractions, because what I have noticed personally, whenever I do a test, I want a quick overview. I don't want to look at the notes, look at it, and say, what is this? It is on different pages. So I have said, okay, if you want to check spelling, maybe there's a spelling error sometimes. Or what? If I want a quick summary or key terms, that is there. You can click on it and it creates a quick summary. Next, you get examples. So here it is where it is used. What's the point of integration? And you can try to it tells you exactly where and how it is used in the world. This test is one of my by favorite topics. So I'm gonna say multiple choice, medium, and generate test. And it's generating test questions. Well, yeah, it is generating them. On the other hand, I will quickly go back and say another topic. In this case, I'm going to say differentiation. I can say for GCSE level, it'll change it to it. I don't need this anymore. I can say text. You can add an image. I'm going to say generate understanding again. It takes another while. That's okay, as we want quality, not quantity, or time in this case. Now, this is also a special function I need to show you is that this program logs the amount of times you enter a specific tab. Let's say you enter into your test tab, your flashcards tab, and it'll plot a line of regression regarding that. So the line of regression, exponential regression, showing how how you'll improve over time. This is similar to one of the new AI development platforms like MindJoy or Save My Exams, for example. Just give it some time. I do like this water animation that's created. It gives a feeling of calmness, which is good as well. Um, it looks pretty cool in my opinion. I don't know, but yeah. As I didn't want a static screen like a circle loading indicator. As people, when they look at a circular progress indicator, they just get annoyed, they get bored, and that's not what I want. I want students to engage in the learning and not be bored by it. Take some time. Cool. And it is generating image for differentiation. Next, we have also more here. Real life examples. Again, we've got flashcards. Test. If I go to test, I can say multiple choice test and generate questions. And we'll do that now. Give it some time. Obviously, because I'm using Pro and not Flash, it takes some more, it takes time, but the end product is better. Here we are. And now I'm going to say, let's say these are the questions, which are pretty accurate based on GCSE and whatnot. What dy dx is the gradient of the tangent of the graph. I'm going to say, I'm going to randomly choose these questions now because I want to see that if these, it'll mark the test. So it'll say incorrect, incorrect, and then it'll go to the test and mark it as well. You can see here, it'll go through, it'll keep checking. Okay, you've corrected this, it'll explain why it's correct as well, which is good. Um, Next here, it'll tell us it is wrong. It'll also give us the correct answer, which is B. And obviously, it's called update in time. So this is wrong as well. Yes, see, it'll explain how it's got the answer as well, which is good. As many tests tell you the answer, tell you the marks, but don't really show you how it's the right answer. Same here, and now it's marking the last one. And correct is good. And here the score is updated, which is good. Great. You can also retake the test, you can generate a new test, whatever you want. Submit it. Again, I've not done much. You can change the questions, and then you got my progress. And here, since we got 40% the last test, our 40% has actually shown. And when we do more tests over time, these will be shown here in this as a graph. We need more data for that to happen. Next, we have spider diagram, which is still building it. That's fine. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I can quickly go between topics, so I can go to integration here, spider diagram again here, key facts, tests, my progress, which is I've not done any tests in this topic, so nothing will show up. Flashcards, and as before, if you go to the last 24, before it was 22, now it is 24 because our things have been the AI has regenerated the back pages, which is great. Next, I'm gonna show you if I go to the topic screen here, I can see my tests. I can go to and see my sessions, like differentiation, integration, which I've done. I can also go and see my overall progress, which will be done with more data. And I have studied 3 topics, which is great, which tells me what I have done so far. It is telling me that I've built for Gemini 3 Hackathon. And if you do like this, please correct me on LinkedIn. That'll be great. The link that opens my LinkedIn. And it is built specifically for the Gemini 3 Hackathon. Thank you.